Alright, so while I'm waiting for my chicken, I'm not at Chick-fil-A, I'm at Popeyes? Yeah, I'm at Popeyes waiting because the guy asked me if I want it fresh. I'm like, yeah, I want it fresh, so I get to wait for them to make the 8-piece chicken. Anyway, I made this playlist a long time ago. This playlist, this was like back in 2016, early 2017. I love how this Chick-fil-A I don't know how they did that one or where they pulled that, but these are people who are non-Mandela affected. These are people who are uploading videos, doing reports, or talking about Chick-fil-A, or like this one here is fit airport tips and eating at Chick-fil-A. Where that logo came from, I don't know, but this is not a person who's Mandela, like in the Mandela effect world. They don't eat. At the time they're doing this video, and I don't know what, I can't speak for them today, but at the time they're doing this video, they have no clue as to what the Mandela effect is, or that Chick-fil-A is no longer CHIC. So I did this video list, and I noticed, and the only reason I'm thinking about it is because I'm sitting here at Popeyes, but I figured I really need to do this because the videos are disappearing, and they're disappearing because people are removing them, and they're also disappearing just magically the way the reality sometimes just changes things. But I noticed that like a year ago that this list is morphing on me because there were uploads on it that made no sense at all. Like they were completely current day Chick-fil-A with the K. And it's like there's no reason I would have added this to the playlist if that had been the case. But they changed. Yes, supernaturally. I know it sounds crazy, but they do change. But the list is still pretty solid. But there's a lot of them that have just gone to private or just removed completely. So the list was probably twice as long at one point, and now it's just these people, and they're not Mandela. That's the key. They're not Mandela effect people, but they're obviously remembering Chick-fil-A spelled the way we remember Chick-fil-A. See, just like this one here, I think that logo just changed. It used to be CHIC, and then the logo changed to the K, but the text is still CHIC. And I did not try to contact any of these people and say, "Hey, do you notice you spelled it wrong?" I don't. I just had no desire or compulsion to do that. But I just think it's funny to see the number of videos. But as I'm sitting here thinking about chicken, I wanted to go ahead and just upload this for what it is to right now and realize that this is disappearing. Like eventually all of these are going to change. They're going to get dropped. They're going to disappear. Naturally and supernaturally, this stuff's going to go away. I believe that's going to happen. But I'll go ahead and, let y'all, if you want to see I mean, I don't know why, but if you want to make, I don't know, if you want to make your own Chick-fil-A playlist, here's a bunch for you. I'll probably have to, I don't know if I'll delete these privates or if they'll probably disappear eventually anyway. But it's a lot of people. And this is just an old playlist that I created way back in the day. Just tracking the Chick-fil-A's. We remember very strongly what it was, and so do these people, even though they're not Mandela effect channels or people into the Mandela effect, they still remember it. Like this one here, I mean, some of these people might have gone into their titles and just changed it because they realized that it's CHICK. But when you see the logo changed, then it's like, so what's going on with that? But tons of Chick-fil-A without the K people here. Chick with no K. So we are just scrolling down the list just to document that I had done this at one time, and in the back of my mind I was going to do a video, and I never did. Just, too busy, other things going on. But these at the time I created all of these were very clearly doing the Chick-fil-A without the K. Amazing how many I had, and they are starting to go away. I guess the private ones stay visible, but the ones that are deleted, they just disappear completely. But there certainly were a lot. tons of it. It was no problem finding people referring to this as CHIC. So, and I know what it was for me. I know even making fun of the name, kind of calling it Chic-fil-A, um, but that logo one, that one gets me. Anyway, I shouldn't click on it. I don't want to play it. I just wanted to do this upload real quick and just share with you that. And I guess I'll make this public if anybody wants to watch it. There you go. Publicize that one. And that's it. Just want to share that real quick. Y'all have a great day and God bless.